Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Today here we are going to discuss about location tracking apps banned from Google and Apple Store. You know, various countries are making their own application for tracking COVID-19 patients, which have lack of proper privacy security where the GPS or Bluetooth remain active during use of this application. That's why Alphabet and Apple came forward to ban of these location tracking and contact tracing application. These applications, which are being identify the COVID-19 patients near about you and inform through this application. This is a good thing, but when it tracing the contact, that becomes cybercrime or the afraid of data privacy. You know, in India it has Arogya Setu app, and also Israel and Australia they have built own application to fight with COVID-19. Here Google and Apple both are going to solve this problem through single app. All other location tracking application may ban from both Google Play Store and Apple Store. Data saying around 99% of smartphones around Apple and Google operating system who have tested positive for COVID-19. Here, these companies plan to allow only public health authorities to use the technology. Both companies saying that their primary goal is to privacy and preventing government from using the compiled data on citizens. Here, the system that uses Bluetooth signal from phones to detect encounters and does not use or store GPS location data. But in US, where there is automatic activate the GPS location of the devices. Here, Apple and Google clarified they will not allow use of GPS data with the contact tracing system. But public health authorities who wants to GPS location data, they can, but it is not any responsibility of the company. You know, this privacy which use as the business and individual data exposed being possible. Here authorities and app developers could reject the Apple Google restriction instead of more use of Bluetooth use based system. But system like iPhones and Android devices that Bluetooth connection turned off after some time for battery saving and other reasons while the user forget to reactivate the Bluetooth. Apple and Google informed that they will allow only one app per country to use the new contact system to avoid wider adoption of data by others.